All right, second grade, we learned our spelling words for today, and then I hope you went and took a break and did something else. Now we're going to practice them, and we won't go through the whole spelling procedure because we already did that today. We don't want to copy because that doesn't help us learn as well. I'll just try and give you any help I think that you might need this time to spell the word correctly the first time. All right, let's try it out. We're just going to review our words. It should go pretty quickly. All right, the word is even, class. How many syllables? Show me. Good. All right, we're going to use e for our E in the first syllable. All right, I think you can do the rest by yourself. Do the syllables and the markings. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, put your pencil down and you can check your work. All right, if yours doesn't look like this, you got to pause it and go back and get things fixed up. Make sure you're saying the sounds while you write them so you don't leave a sound out. That's a thing I've noticed is pretty common, is we're not saying the sounds while we write them, so we just leave a sound out. All right, let's see, let's go a little bit out of order. The next word is meat. What's the word? Good, meat. Which E do we use in meat? All right, if you didn't remember, I'll tell you. We used E-double-E. Which E are we going to use in meat? Good, E-double-E. Always says E. Write that and say the sounds while you write them. After you've written it, do the markings. All right, make sure your meat looks like this. If not, we've got to fix that. All right, our next word is hour. I will be an hour late for dinner. Hour. But it's a two-way word. How do we say hour to spell it? Good, we say hour. Hour. All right, and which ow do we use? If you didn't remember, I'll help you out. We use ow, o, oo, All right. One more time, which ow do we use in hour? Good, ow, o, oo, Write that and say it while you write it. All right. And I want to make sure we get in the habit when we're marking our words of going to the beginning, not just marking things as we're going or marking things we remember. We go back to the beginning and we look through our whole word and we remember everything we need to mark. All right, so this is how we spell hour, like the time. 60 minutes is what this is. But when we're speaking, what do we say? Good, we say hour. All right, the next word is odd. Class, what's the word? Good, odd. An odd number is not even. Odd. What is funny about this word? We do something at the end. This one's a little unusual because if I just write the sounds ah, duh, is that right? No, that's not how we spell that word. What do I have to do to this? Good, I'm gonna double it. So go ahead and write odd. Say the sounds while you write them. And check and make sure it looks like mine. All right. The next word is soon. What's the word? Good. Soon. I hope I get to go home soon. Which oo do we use in soon? All right, I want you to be thinking and trying to tell me, but I'll help you if you're not sure. We use oo. Which oo do we use in soon? Good. U, O. So write those sounds and say them while you write them. If I'm going too fast and you ever need to pause the video, please feel free. All right, this is our word, soon. All right, class, the next word is shop. What's the word? Good, shop. All right, that one I think you can do by yourself. Make sure you're saying the sounds while you write them. All right, class, make sure or check your word, see if it looks like this. All right, if you're getting it right the first time, that lets you know you're on the right track. If you're not, that lets you know, oh, maybe I should practice these again. You can always come back and watch this video and practice them more. If we were in school the regular day, the day we learn our words, we practice them probably about 2 or 3 more times at least to get them in our heads. So it's a good idea so you feel confident when the quiz comes up. All right. The next word is shopping. All right, I saved this for last because it's tricky. Let's start with our base word shop and put a syllable break at the end. Shop is a 1-1-1 word. So what are we going to have to do to that last consonant before we add our vowel suffix ing? Excellent work if you said we need to double it. So go ahead and double it and then add your vowel suffix, saying the sounds while you write them, and the sounds are I, I, All right, so make sure your shopping looks like this. This one's tricky because it's a 1-1-1 rule. All right, and see how nice and quickly we can get through those reviews. We're going to do that every day after we learn our words. We're going to practice them at least once before we put them in our notebook.